Hello my beautiful queens, hello my gorgeous angels. Welcome to my very first YouTube video. Girl, I've been so excited to actually sit down and film a YouTube video. I've been so anxious and timid and scared about it, but girl, I finally did it. I finally just, jumped out of my comfort zone and I finally did it. So yeah, my name is Tiffany. You can call me Kif. Do not call me Tiff, girl. I'm not Tiffany. It's Tiffany, all right? There's already enough Tiffany's in the world. They're overrated. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so if you are interested in learning how to do this little neon look, electric look with a pop of ocean, girl, yes, then stay tuned. Oh, before I get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Alley Cat just because I'm wearing her jewelry right now. And girl, she makes the best jewelry. It's so beautiful. She made these star earrings, and she also made this choker. So cute. She gave me this choker for my birthday, and my heart melted. I was so happy when she gave me this choker. Thank you so much, Alley Cat. Shout out to you. So yes, I'm gonna leave all of her links down in the description box, and please go check her out because her jewelry is beautiful. She has so much different styles, so much different versions of each jewelry that she has. Just beautiful. Go check her out. Lord, if you're hearing me, I know I committed a lot of sins in my life. But the disrespect, the karma, girl, this looks like the Little Mermaid got into a physical altercation with Ursula, and clearly she lost. What? This is not gonna fly. Let's do something about it.
You know what I did? It doesn't matter. You know that I'll always be there. Storms crazy, and you know it. That's how I show you that I care. You know what I did? It doesn't matter. You know that I'll always be there. Storms crazy, and you know it. That's how I show you that I care. Whatever I did, girl, forget about it. Whatever I say, girl, just forget about it. Whatever I do, it doesn't matter. You know that I'll always be there. Storms crazy, and you know it. That's how I show you that I care. Whatever I did, girl, forget about it. Whatever I say, girl, just forget about it. Whatever I did, girl, forget about it. Whatever I say, girl, just forget about it. Whatever I do.
Alrighty, so if you guys made it to this far into the video, you're a real one. I see you. But yeah, so if you guys like this final product of the electricity on the water look, press up a like and also comment down below what you guys want to see next. I love doing dramatic looks and scary looks and all sorts of different fun looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, queens. What is up, my gorgeous queens, my beautiful angels, and my beautiful people? Yeah, so if you are tuning into this YouTube channel, that is because I am very awkward and this is my very first one. My name is Tiffany, not with the... Hold on. What is up, my... I'm taking pictures.